Alright, hey guys, it's back with Five Big Cap. Yo, we're gonna do a dirty devil today. Give it one like if you think that this thing is gonna get dirty. Alright, we have let the chocolate as much hard as possible. Let's see this thing go. Alright, there you go, guys. You just ran out of juice. That was a pretty powerful running. Let's see how dirty this baby got. Woo! If you got a 1, you are a winner. If you liked it once, you are a winner. So, and if you didn't, well, you may get another chance in one of our videos, but that was pretty awesome, boys. Alright, see you next time, guys, at Five Big Cow.